We turn the May from the spring into love, and it grows, boy, even when the sky is gray, and it shows, boy, even on a cloudy day.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video we are going to be installing this unit. This is my first time really truly trying Kinky curly hair. This is pre-made wig. I've received Kinky curly like years and years ago. I'm talking about like almost a decade ago, and I really didn't know how to take care of it. I just didn't know enough about Kinky curly, so I really don't even count that, but I decided to go ahead and try it again. This unit is from CurlyMe Hair Company. This is the first time that I'm working with this company, I believe, and I'm going to leave all their information down in the description box, but this is their Kinky Curly pre-made wig with adjustable straps, combs, 180% density, and it's 26 inches. Okay, so right away I was just like, wow, this is just really a tight curl. It doesn't seem that much more textured or coarse than a regular curly texture. So the hair is still textured and it's on the coarse side. It just isn't a drastic difference. Like if you get like a straight texture and then Kinky straight, it's totally different, you know what I mean? But like it's not that drastic of a difference. Like the curl pattern is just tighter. I wasn't really too like taken back, like, oh, what I'm gonna do, like, do I need to research how to do this? I was just like, okay, let's just go into it. Let's just start off how I take care of my curly hairs, of just like co-washing and letting it air dry, and then seeing how it is when I refresh the curls, and then take it from there. So that's exactly what I did after installing this unit. In my mind, I'm already going into like thinking that this is going to be a higher maintenance wig because it is Kinky curly. You're gonna have to put more effort into like maintaining the curls, the feel of it, and just keeping it under control, keeping it managed. So definitely, like, if you're a beginner, start somewhere else, girl. Start with a body wave, natural wave, work your way up to curly, and then like a Kinky curly. That's just my opinion. You don't gotta follow it, listen to it, but unit, there are going to be other videos where I show you guys how I refresh the curls and then give you updates on if that method worked or if I changed and tweaked some things about, you know, how I take care of this unit. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. This is just simply an install video, just watching me put it on, seeing how the Kinky curly looks from this company. And yeah, I'm going to check you guys out in my next one. Bye.